Pandas Groupby Ewm. I have labeled event, time series, data where the events occur at random intervals for a given label. I would like to compute the within group Ewm and add it to the data frame as a new column x1_Ewm. Here's the code so far. Thanks to Pandas Groupby and apply method with custom function, I am able to compute the group Ewm with. It produces a series, indexed by one of the categorical variables and the date time. The length of the series is the same as the original data frame and time series, df and ts. Now I think I could do some gymnastics to get this joined back together to the original data frame, df, by joining on row index, assuming sort orders didn't change, but that does not seem right, and may even be a risky approach. Since the groupie was within only one of the categorical labels, I'd need to be careful and do some checks/sorts/reindexing. Seems like there should be an easier method to add a time series column directly to the data frame, df, or time series, ts, without creating separate series or data frames and joining them. Same would be true if I wanted to add a rolling statistic, such as. Thanks in advance for any help or inputs. Results based on accepted answer.
Let's fix the problem, using transform.
The accepted answer is very slow for large datasets. What I have done is, and it seems to work just fine.
Can you try this? Do not set ts equals df.set_index_t. Then you can do as below.
Rolling-computation.